Yeah, so it's okay that nobody watches these because, this is a writing exercise more than hey, how you doing? Welcome to Make It Funny, where I take your suggestions and I make them funny. If you or anybody in the world would like to leave a suggestion for me to make funny, put it in the comments. And yeah, today's suggestion comes from Rip Van Winkle, whose suggestion is snoring. It's a thing, we snore. Not everybody. A lot of people claim they don't, and then it turns out they do, but how would you know? Because you're sleeping. Side note, I think every person who's single never snores. And if they did, no one would tell them about it, so they ipso facto, they never snore. So if you have somebody who says, I never snore, they're single. That just... Anyway, what was I saying? We all know that snoring is annoying. We know it. It is. Right? It also means you're dying. Turns out, snoring used to just be this thing like, oh, the guy with the buzzsaw next to me. Ugh. Now, we've learned through science, the guy with the buzzsaw next to me is also dying from sleep apnea. So, yeah, who knew? Sleep could kill you. It's annoying. Snoring is. And yet, it's an annoying sound that TV and commercials still think it's okay to make us endure. Every commercial for anti-snoring, we've got to hear 45 seconds of somebody snoring. It's gross. It's disgusting. I'm sitting there trying to eat some pasta, and all of a sudden it's like, I won't even do it because it's so disgusting. They're doing the snoring sound. And you wouldn't do the same thing, commercials, for Gas X. If you want to show me a commercial about how to cut down on farting, you're not going to have 30 seconds of some guy just blowing wind all over the place. You know why? Because it's gross. Yet somehow snoring is okay, even though it's actually worse. I'd rather hear somebody fart than snore. What I hate about the snoring, especially in television and movies, is it insults my intelligence. Why are you showing a person on a bed and then putting snoring in there? Is it to signify that they're sleeping? Because I can do the math. Dumbass Hollywood. If I see a person in a bed, I can do the math that they're sleeping. I don't need you to make the disgusting sound that we have all agreed we hate. We hate so much that there are drugs out there who stop it, and then there's commercials for those drugs where they have me watch 45 seconds of somebody snoring. In the middle of a football game, by the way. What is going on with football now? The commercials during the commercials aren't enough. Now we need to have an extra 30-second commercial anytime there's any kind of pause. Oh no, Mahomes has dropped down to tie his shoe. It's brought to you by Allstate. Let's fit that in real quick. Anyway, where was I? Stupid commercials with snoring. Stupid movies in Hollywood with snoring. We don't need to see it unless there's only one reason you should ever add snoring. And that is if it's on the fence as to whether or not the person in the bed is dead or sleeping. Like if we walk into a scene and there's blood everywhere and there's a body on the bed, but you want to tell me, it turns out, no, they're still alive, they're just sleeping, feel free to add some snoring. But if you're showing me some person who's turned on their side, they got a pillow between their legs, they got their other pillow like this, and they're in pajamas, I don't need snoring sound effects to tell me they're sleeping.